Hello everyone, thanks for joining my channel, RPGuru Tech Talk. This is Renu Prasad. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to watch more fun videos and also get updated when new videos are uploaded in my channel. Thank you so much. I have this original CD which I had bought 20 years ago. I still love the songs, but I'm not able to listen to it because I don't have a CD player handy to conveniently listen to it, the songs. So I have this old laptop which has a CD player. So you can see I cannot even open the CD drive since I've lost touch with it. So let's see what I can do to find a way for this. So I inserted the CD into the laptop and I go to a website called FreeRIP.com. I'm going to share the link to this. Don't do a Google search. There are a lot of junk connections, junk URLs. So don't click that. So go to this website, download the software. It's called FreeRIP. It's free software. Download it and install it. So let's start installing. So hit accept and install. And there's one more thing I want to show you not to do. So hit decline on any other software it's trying to tell you to install. So once you do that, hit finish. And now you can see it opens. What the software does, when you open it, it actually looks for the CD in the CD drive. If you don't find it, you can probably close this software and reopen it. It'll automatically pick up the CD in the CD drive. So that's what I did. So if it took me a couple of times, then I closed the software and reopened the software. When I did that, now it has all the songs of that CD which I just inserted. You can see now so it's there, and you can also tell where you want to finally store the files which are going to be extracted from this, and it creates MP3 files. So I selected desktop, and I hit rip disk, so it starts doing the job. It takes a while, so I'm just going to fast forward this for you to focus on the software and what the process does, rather than waiting for every song to be extracted and downloaded. So if you see, it creates all MP3 files, and it's actually going to create a folder on your desktop, on the desktop where I have asked it to be saved as. So you can see it takes a long time. I'm not going to wait for this whole process in this video to show you how to do it. So and if you see, it tells you how many minutes each song is and all that on the original CD, but it also does the extraction into an MP3 file. So right now it's doing one song at a time, and it moves fast. So it moves a little slow, but I'm going to fast forward this video so that I show you what the next steps. So I'm on the last song now. It's converting the last song, and once it does that, it'll say done. And once it says done, you dismiss and close the software. And then once you do that, if you go to your desktop, you will see a folder which is there in the which is created. So click on that. You can see all the songs in MP3 format. I'm just going to click on the first one just to show you, but I cannot go play this song because of copyright issues. So the song quality is pretty good, so you should be able to do it. So hope this helps you. Talk to you soon. Thank you.